MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Elon Musk picks Germany for Tesla's European Gigafactory. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced that the carmaker will build its first European factory and design center near Berlin in Germany. Everyone knows German engineering is outstanding for sure. You know that's part of the reason why we're locating Gigafactory Europe in Germany, Musk said. Tesla is set to open a factory in Shanghai, built with Chinese state support.